Do you speak French? You want to see your kids speaking French? Learn French. Why learn? Let's explore it. French is the most popular language in Indian schools. French for school curriculum, college, higher studies, and for professionals. Welcome to French culture. We work on IG and IC board. To have another language is to possess a second soul. We teach ICSE board, CBSE board in the classroom. Yes, and international board also. Together with French. Learn French. Guidebook for professionals from Delf even junior to senior level. Includes B2 and C1 level. Moving from beginner to advanced level. Why learn French? Here are the reasons. French is the most speaking language in international market that gives you a multiple option. We focused on writing, listening, reading, and speaking skills too. It is a worldwide speaking language. Yes, dreaming for a broad job? Then learn French. Stay home, stay safe with our online classes. You can follow us on our Facebook page, French Learner Group. And you can leave us a message on our Facebook ID, punam.matotia. For more information, you can call us on the given number.